Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel. I am Otanu Betal. In this video lecture, we discuss about the topic that efflorescent substance or efflorescent salts. What are the efflorescent substance and salts or salts, and some examples of efflorescent substance or salts, and in which conditions the efflorescence is maximum. We discuss about these points. So I would like to say that if you are new to this channel or you do not subscribe this channel, then you can subscribe it right now. Watch this video till the end, because you can understand the full topic if you watch this video up to the end of this lecture. Okay, let's start our discussions. That efflorescent substance or efflorescent salts. Some salts means some hydrated salts or the salts that have water of crystallization. For example, this type of salts where we can find the water of crystallization. See here, it is washing soda, Epsom salt and Glauber salt. In this case, it has 10 water of crystallization, it has 10 and it has 7. Sodium carbonate decahydrate, sodium sulfate decahydrate and magnesium sulfate heptahydrate. For hydrated salts or salts that have water of crystallization, when this type of salts are kept in atmosphere at room temperature in open air, that time this type of salts or substance loses their water of crystallization either fully or partially, and due to the loss of water of crystallization, these are becoming amorphous substance, powdery substance, and called anhydrous substance. Anhydrous substance is formed after losing the water of crystallization of these salts fully or partially at room temperature. Okay, so this phenomenon is called efflorescence, and the substance that can lose or that loses the water of crystallization either fully or partially when it is kept in open air or at room temperature, that substance are called efflorescent substance, and or you can say efflorescent salts. And the example of this type of salts are the washing soda, Glauber salt, Epsom salts. These are some common examples of these efflorescent substances or efflorescent salts. In this for the case of the efflorescent salts or efflorescent substance, the efflorescence occur at a maximum rate when the atmosphere means at dry atmosphere and the temperature of the atmosphere is high. That time this efflorescence occur at a faster rate, and in the dry weather and when the atmosphere is dry and the temperature of the atmosphere is high, that time you can find the more efflorescence occur at room temperature. Okay, so that is the condition, that are the two main conditions for maximum efflorescence. Okay, and some salts, some salts, a number of salts that we know they are efflorescent in nature. So this is the topic, that what do we mean by efflorescent salt, efflorescent substance, and efflorescence when occur at a maximum rate. So this is the topic I wanted to discuss about, and I think I discuss this topic clearly, you understand it well. And if you have any problem regarding this topic, then you can ask me in the comment section below. I would answer your comment. And you can watch the all other videos that I already uploaded in this channel, because with this video you also need to know the other such similar types of topics. Okay, such similar type of the videos that I already made, and you can watch these videos from the watch list, from the playlist that I made in this channel. Thank you for watching this video discussions, and you can subscribe and like. You can subscribe this channel and you can like this video. If you find this video is useful and giving you some learning, then you can like it. Thank you.